Are you wondering how people get this trending mirror text or even watermark effect? Well, today I will be showing you step by step on how you can achieve this, and I promise you, it's way easier than it looks. Okay, let's get started. Make sure you have a video completely edited and ready, then export it, load the video into a new project with the video, and then let's start adding text. Okay, step 1. First, add your text. Pick a clean, bold font so the effect really stands out. So nothing too skinny or fancy cursive, or else the mirror effect won't really stand out. Step 2, make the text green. You're just going to go to Style, then you're going to go over to the color green and just press green. Step 3, you're going to export your video with that green text and then add it to your original project as an overlay. Then you're going to head over to cutouts, use the chroma key, and then adjust the settings till it looks right. Final step, you're going to move around your clips behind the overlay so you get that like mirror effect. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you want to bring this mirror text up to the next level, go check out this video I have on animation. It will definitely help you level up your edits.